This is a fairly important level. When we get a fairly important level that breaks down like this, then if it breaks down, it's probably going down to the bottom of this pattern, which is pretty much what happened here. We came down to the bottom of the pattern, went a little bit lower, and then we bounced. We did a 200-day moving average touch, which we saw back here in, what's this, April, and we saw it back here again in February. They've been buying, like we got a tail underneath it here in February, but they've been buying this 200-day moving average fairly aggressively in the Russell in the past. We'll see if that happens again today. So although we come down quite a bit here, once this breakdown happened, the move to here was sort of normal. We have our primary support level at 1600. We definitely have some support here. We have a little bit of support at, what's this, about 1615, and we have a little bit more significant support at 1600. So I would be surprised if we went lower than that, or it would have to be a news event that might push us lower than that. I mean, possibly intraday, but for a close, if we went lower than that, I'd be surprised. I actually think we're probably going to hold right around this level and likely bounce off of this. So that's my thoughts on the markets anyway.